Yes, I can swim. शाबाश. Well done. Well done. आपने तैरना कैसे सीखा? How did you learn to swim? How did you learn to swim? मैंने आपको कहीं देखा है. I have seen you somewhere. I have seen you somewhere. बच्चे भगवान का रूप होते हैं. Children are the form of God. Children are the form of God. मुझे एक गाड़ी खरीदनी है. I want to buy a car. I want to buy a car. उसने एक मजेदार कहानी सुनाई. He told a funny story. He told a funny story. सावधान रहें. Be careful. Be careful. कोई खास बात नहीं. Nothing special. Nothing special. तुम कहाँ से आ रहे हो? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? रहने दो. Let it be. Let it be. मुझ पर शक मत करो. Do not doubt me. Do not doubt me. एक बात और. One thing more. One thing more. समय क्या हुआ है? What's the time? What's the time? मैं वापस आऊंगा. I will come back. I will come back. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. ठीक है. All right. All right. ज्यादा होशियार मत बनो. Don't be over smart. Don't be over smart. क्या मैं आपकी मदद कर सकता हूँ? May I help you? May I help you? चलो साथ चलते हैं. Let's go together. Let's go together. मुझे इंग्लिश सीखना पसंद है. I like to learn English. I like to learn English. मैं बहुत व्यस्त हूँ. I am very busy. I am very busy. मैं तुमसे कभी नहीं मिलूंगा. I will never see you. I will never see you. मुझे अपने आप पर भरोसा है. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. मैं आपसे जरूर मिलूंगा. I will definitely meet you. I will definitely meet you. कृपया दरवाजा खोलिए. Please open the door. Please open the door. मैं आज कार चलाऊंगी. I will drive the car today. I will drive the car today. तुम्हारे कहने का क्या मतलब है? What do you mean? What do you mean? आग से कभी मत खेलो. Never play with fire. Never play with fire.